your name. There's not enough words that I can say to tell you how much I appreciate all the wonderful things you've given me. Your love and kindness, your tender mercy. I want to praise you, Lord. 'Cause you're worthy of all the glory, and you're worthy of all the praise. See, I don't know why you would love me, and why you would show me so much mercy, why you would suffer and die for me way back on Calvary. But I gotta thank you, Lord. Oh, Jesus, I thank you, Lord. My heart cries thank you. And I give you all the praise. Wonderful, glorious, holy and righteous, victorious, conqueror, triumphant and mighty, healer, deliverer, shield and defense, strong tower and my best friend, omnipotent, omnipresent, soon coming King, Alpha, Omega, Lord of everything you love. Oh, so holy is your name. Glorious, holy and you're wonderful. Oh, so glorious. My shield, my strong tower, and you're omnipotent, omnipresent, soon coming King. You're Alpha, Omega, Lord of everything you love. Oh, so holy is your name. You're wonderful, glorious, holy and righteous.